Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete invoices in Zoho Books. Whether you're cleaning up duplicate entries or removing outdated invoices, this process will help you keep your financial records organized and accurate. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books homepage. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your Zoho credentials, so go ahead and log in with your email and password. This gives you access to your Zoho Books dashboard where all your financial data lives. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on the Sales module and an expanded menu will appear with several options related to your sales activities. This is where Zoho Books organizes all your customer-facing transactions and documents. From that expanded menu, click on Invoices. This will bring up a complete list of all the invoices you've created in your account. You'll see them displayed in an organized table format, making it easy to locate specific entries. Now find the invoice you want to delete and click the checkbox beside it. This selection process is important because it tells Zoho Books exactly which invoice you're targeting for deletion. You can select multiple invoices at once if needed, but for now we'll focus on deleting one. With your invoice selected, look at the top side menu where you'll see various action buttons. Click on Delete from these options. This initiates the deletion process, but Zoho Books includes a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. A pop-up window will appear on your screen, asking you to confirm whether you really want to delete the invoice. This confirmation step is crucial because once an invoice is deleted, it may affect your financial reports and records. Take a moment to read through any terms or warnings displayed in this pop-up. If you're certain about deleting the invoice, click OK. This finalizes the deletion and removes the invoice from your Zoho Books account. Your invoice list will refresh and you'll notice the deleted invoice is no longer visible. And that's it. You've successfully removed the invoice from your Zoho Books account, keeping your financial records clean and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.